This GMC Envoy XL shows all the signs of a well-maintained vehicle. It is a four-wheel drive, automatic, loaded. If you are located near the store, or anywhere in the nation, take a look at our full line of pre-owned inventory. We will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Go to www.watootla.com to see our inventory. We have a huge inventory to choose from, and look at us on Facebook. Moritz of Fort Worth, pre-owned.